Your viewport problem has a simple solution. I'm the lazy Arquitecto with time-saving AutoCAD tutorials and tools for architects. Let's quickly solve some of your viewport problems in AutoCAD. Viewport problem number 1. Cannot select viewport. As you can see in this drawing, I'm unable to select this viewport. To solve this problem, let's open the layer palette by typing LA and pressing enter, and let's unfreeze the layer 0 because this is causing the issue. So simply uncheck the freeze option, and now you can see that you can select your AutoCAD viewport. If this doesn't solve your issue of not able to select your viewport, simply close your drawing and reopen. Viewport problem number 2. Zoom too far into viewport. If you feel like you got stuck in your viewport, simply use the PS command and press enter. You can see that you are now outside your viewport. Viewport problem number 3. AutoCAD viewport not showing. If you have this problem where you don't even see your viewport, try this. Open the layer palette, click on the freeze panel, and this will show all of the frozen layers at the top. As you can see, the only frozen layer here is the depth points. So if I uncheck that, let me move it over here a little bit. If I uncheck this depth point, you can see that your viewport problem was solved. Viewport problem number 4. AutoCAD viewport not zooming. If you get inside your viewport and are unable to zoom in, try this. Click the unlocked option for your selected viewports, and now you can see that your viewport zooming problems was solved. This will also solve some of your other problems, such as viewport not deleting, because now you know how to unlock your viewport. Viewport problem number 5. I know viewports are complex and can have all types of problems. This is why you can leave your viewport problem in the comments and I'll help you as soon as I can.